Welcome back to AIM Achievers. Today we will be starting the next chapter, globe, latitudes and longitudes. First of all, what is a globe? So globe is a miniature form of Earth that represents Earth in its actual form. Okay. So this is globe, you all know. Sorry for the drawing. Okay. So you must be thinking that why we use this, okay? So that the earth can rotate. Now comes the use of this. Earth, as you all know, is a sphere, but it is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. So earth is somewhat like this. Okay, bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. It is because of Coriolis force. You will be studying in higher classes. Okay. Now, the thing, as we are making poles here, so we will be taking axis directly from north pole to south pole. Okay, this is north pole, this is south. This is axis on which the earth rotates. In the next chapter we will study. And this is the line which divides earth in equal halves. This part and this part. Axis, what we said. This part and this part is known as northern hemisphere. And this part is known as southern hemisphere. Northern, from the equator, from the north towards the equator, we can say this is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. Okay. Next comes parallels of latitude. So anything that is parallel to equator, we say, in our clear language we can say, anything that is parallel to equator are parallels of latitude, or latitude is anything, any line that runs parallel to the equator. Now comes longitude. What is longitude? So longitude is anything that runs from the north pole joining the south pole. Okay, so there are many lines. These lines are called longitude. Now, what does these? Why you must be thinking that why do we need these? We need to locate time, to locate place. To know where actually a place lies on Earth, we need latitudes and longitudes both equally important. Okay. To know now the importance of latitudes is this, that this is the equator. Okay. This is the equator. Equator के उधर साइड सब नॉर्थ में आता है and equator के southern side everything is in south. Okay. Now it is not necessary that only there are there are limited number of latitudes. There are only 90 latitudes towards north and 90 latitudes towards the south. South pole, you know, it is 90 degrees south and north pole is 90 degree north. It is merely a point, not a circle. Always remember. And equator is also known as the Great Circle because no other circle or parallels of latitude is as big as the equator. Okay, so it is known as the Great Circle. If the question comes that what is the biggest circle that can be drawn on the earth, so it will be equator. And North Pole is not a circle. It is merely just a point. North Pole. Okay, so pole is just a point, both sides. This is 90 degrees south, this is 90 degrees north. Now, 90 degree north, which means that total number of latitudes, how much there will be? It is not so tough question, but Certain children get confused in it. So total number of latitudes will be 90 north and 90 south. So it must be coming to 180. No. Equator is 0 degree. So 90 north, 90 south plus the 0 degree. So that comes to 181. So total number of latitudes are 181. Okay. Talking about the important latitudes. Okay. Every latitude is not important, but 3 latitudes, both each on the northern and southern hemisphere, are important. So first comes the equator. Okay. First comes 0 degree equator. Okay. Next comes 23.5 degree north. Next comes 66.5 degree north. Same as here, 23.5 degree south and 66.5 degree south. Okay. This is equator, you all know. 23.5 degree north is known as Tropic of Cancer, and this is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, this is known as Arctic Circle, and this is known as Antarctic Circle. These are the important latitudes which you have to remember, which is must. Okay. Now, why are these latitudes also important? First, because in future chapters we will study why it is important. But for now, our area, which is the area in which, according to the climate, we come to know about these latitudes only. Okay. So first comes this area, which is from 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south, and it is known as this is North Pole, this is South Pole, both 90 degree south, 90 degree north. This is 0 degree equator. No north or south will be noted for equator. 0 degree is 0 degree. No, neither north, neither south. Okay. Then comes 23.5 degree north, 66.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south, 66.5 degrees south. This is Arctic Circle. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is equator. This is Tropic of Capricorn. And this is Antarctic Circle. Okay. So first comes Arctic, Tropic of Cancer. Always remember, equator के ऊपर आता है Cancer, नीचे आता है Capricorn. Okay. Now the Arctic, the area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south, comes under torrid zone. Torrid zone. The heat is immense where direct sun rays fall on the equator. So the most heated area, the most hot area, warm area is this one. Okay. Next comes a little cooler region, that is temperate zone. Temperate zone, north temperate zone and south temperate zone. Okay, which lies between 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north, and in the south 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. Okay, it is a mild region. It is a little, low region where it is not too cold or not too hot. Next comes frigid, as the name suggests, freezing zone. Okay, so where is quite cold, frigid zone. Frigid zone. Okay. Next, we have talked about latitudes. Now comes longitudes. Longitudes, it is not and not any one important thing is necessary. Only one thing is necessary is that standard meridian, that is the 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree is the standard meridian from which we suggest the eastern part and the western part. Like equator is the northern and southern divider. Similarly, standard meridian is the eastern and western divider. Okay, this is considered for Greenwich in Britain. Okay, there is the Royal Observatory of Greenwich, where through this line passes through it, and this was considered as the standard meridian for all the countries. Okay, from here it is east, here it is western. Here it counts 180 west, 180 east. Okay, so counting it like we counted it, if latitudes are total 181, longitudes will be first east meridian, standard meridian 180 plus 180. It should come 361, but it won't. Why? 180 towards east. At a place, 180 is common for both eastern and western hemisphere. Okay, so 180 will become common. So minus 1 we can do. Minus 1 we can do. If we are taking this, so we are doing plus 1. Okay, let me make it a little easy. Just imagine that we are taking from 0 degree to 179 degree east. It will count to 180. Okay, and from here we are taking 1 degree to 180 degree west. As we know 180 का सिर्फ एक है, 0 degree भी सिर्फ एक है, तो it will come to 180, it will come to 180, it will come to 360. In this chapter, only this much is important: longitude and time. Through longitudes, we can denote time. How? You know that these are the sections which start from North Pole to South Pole. Always remember that the length does not decrease. Okay? Like in parallels, parallel की definition क्या होती है? That the distance between two lines is always the same. तो latitudes में always the distance between two latitudes is always same all over the earth. Similarly, in longitude, the distance of each and every longitude is same. Each starts with North Pole, ends at South Pole, and the scale plane. If you take anything, let me show. Sorry. Like if you take this line, okay, so you can see longitude, one longitude, second longitude, each if you cut it will be the same length. The same thing applies here also. The length of each and every longitude is always the same. Now the time, how do we denote time? So each part is divided into separate parts. 1 degree is 1 degree we cover in 4 minutes. Okay, it is written in the book, you can read it. Next thing, from the calculation we can take it out that 15 degree will cover 1 hour. So if we divide each and every zone in 15 degrees, then we can say that each and every zone is 1 hour ahead of the other. Okay, if it is on a standard meridian, it is 12 o'clock, then 15 degrees ahead, that is one slice. If we cut out, then it is 1 hour ahead. Okay, through this only, through various calculations, we can take out the time of any place. So longitudes are important in this case. Also, before ending this video, I would like to say one thing, that before you take any classes, or if you are taking classes also, your reading is very necessary. If you don't read your chapters, then no class would ever help you, okay? Because self-study is very important.